Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a Yamaha Waverunner right here, and it's going to be getting some Gator Glide. So what I ordered is the Part A. This is all the black, and it comes with the Part A, Part B. The mixing instructions are super simple. They're even nice enough to send in one of these with the package, and it goes over surface preparation, mixing instructions, application. You can roll it or spray it. I believe the G4 is a lot easier to spray. I could be wrong, but other than that, all you're going to need is pretty much just a little bit of tape, and you're going to need a DA. And if you do use a DA, you want to make sure you have an interface pad on the 3. If you have a 3-inch, that's going to be most ideal for these jet skis rather than a 6-inch, but I'll probably end up using both. So I went ahead and ran my tape line around the jet ski of where it's going to be on the inside, so it's not going to be up here at all. And another reason I did that is for when I'm sanding, and if I do somehow manage to get the DA and the interface pad up there, it's not going to take out that radius. So just be real careful. I wouldn't even sand on the DA with the radius. I'd just do that by hand if I were you. So other than that, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and tape up plastic, the entire jet ski, and then I'm going to go ahead and start sanding 180 grit, because that's what I have. I think it does call for 150, but I think 180 is going to be just fine for this application, since there's not much damage on the jet ski, and I think it all will turn out really well.
So don't forget your interface pad. This is 180 grit. You're going to need an interface pad, because a jet ski hole or a boat hole is not completely flat, so it's going to give it a little bit of cushion. Alright, so I've got it all taped up and masked. And if you want to know where to run your tape at, here's a pretty good idea. So you want to leave a little bit of space on the plastic, because when you're sanding and whatnot, you're probably going to want to run a whole new piece of tape here. So that way you don't overlap it, and you can just tear it clean off and do your final one. And another thing is you want to make sure this is all taped up. So what I'm going to do is plastic that here in a minute. Then I'm going to go ahead and just start sanding the hole. 180 grit, you want to stay away from all these radiuses with a DA. Just do those by hand. Just make sure you do sand it pretty good. Just scuff it up real good with 180 and you'll be just fine. As I sand the hole down here, just keep in mind when you're sanding this hole, try to keep the DA flat, stay away from the radiuses. And I'm also using just medium pressure, so there's no need to really dig into it, but also don't barely press on the DA. Like, you want it to look like this, or else it's not going to have a deep enough scratch to take enough material off so that you can add material into it and it'll have a good chemical and physical bond. All right, so we're completely taped up now. And it's finally time to roll this thing.